Welcome, my friends, to 2026. If you have taken part of January off because you were recovering from an illness, lots of viruses going around all over the world. I know I had it, Joe had it. It's tough to shake it, but you were taking it easy. So now we're mid-January, symptoms are gone. We're ready to jump in and make 2026 the best year ever. We're going to start this week with calisthenics. We've heard that word, nobody knows what it means. Basically, what it means is body weight exercise. You're not going to need anything except what you see right here. You can add, of course, your water bottle, as you should. Hydration is important, especially if you're recovering from an illness. So make sure you've got your water bottle. If you would like a sturdy chair or a wall or a countertop for some of our modifications, absolutely fine. You'll see those modifications up in the corner, maybe this corner, I'm not sure which corner, but one of the corners. You'll see the modifications to assist you in getting right into 2026 and making it your best year. Let's get going. As with every workout you do, whether it's going out to garden, going out for a walk, you should warm up first. Warming up gets our circulatory system and respiratory system and muscles all primed and understanding that we're about to ask them to do something. So we're going to start just with a gentle movement. If you want to walk around your house, you can. Right now, we just finished having a blizzard, so walking outside right now would not be a gentle warm-up. It would be more like a heavy-duty workout. So we're going to do about a minute of just a gentle, easy walk. We're not doing high knees. We're not doing anything crazy. We're just increasing our blood flow, our respiratory rate, getting everything ready to dive in. Okay, bringing that down. Now we're going to warm up our upper body. Let's start with some shoulder circles. Forward and then back. Really dive deep and stretch out those shoulders. You've probably been sitting a lot or laying a lot if you've been under the weather. Shoulders and necks probably complaining like crazy. Okay, now we're going to take it into arm circles forward. And backwards. Now notice I didn't talk about a format. I didn't talk about timers. We're not using that today. We're easing back in. This is a great workout that you can use anywhere. If you're visiting family, get them involved. Have them do it with you. So 30 seconds of shoulder and arm circles about. We're going to go into hip circles and knee circles next. If you need to place yourself near a wall for this, that's okay. We're going to do 5 in one direction with one leg, obviously. And turn it around, go from back to front. Believe it or not, this works different muscles. Other leg. And other direction. Okay, there's our warm-up. Now we're going to get into the workout part. The workout part is going to be very simple. We're going to start with squats. So getting your feet in good squat position. We're going to do 2 rounds of this entire exercise. So your first round of squats can be quarter squats. 10 of them. If you need to do the chair modification, look up in the upper corner. You'll see a demo of that. Two more. Okay, we're going to go right into push-ups. I'm going to do the knee modification on the floor, which is my go-to. Again, 10. Stretch those arms out. Again, look for your modification in the corner for wall or countertop push-ups. Coming back up to standing, we're going to do a reverse lunge. You can also do a modification where you hold on to a chair and do a static lunge. So here we go. You're going to do 8 each side. Make sure when you step back, you're stepping back wide enough that you're not going to topple over. You can do these as slowly as you want. Slow is good in this case. Lost count. I think this is good. All right. Next movement, high knees. Differing from the march we did to warm up, we're bringing our knees as high as we can. And the reason for that is we're working our core this time. It takes core muscles to pick your legs up this high. We're aiming for 30 seconds here. If you want to add difficulty to this, put your arms overhead. This really works posture really well. Don't forget to breathe. This is where warming up our hips makes a difference. And bring that down. Next, we're going to do an isometric row. Normally, we would row with dumbbells or bands. This time, we're going to reach out, make a fist, and pull back like there's resistance. Imagine there's resistance. At the back, squeeze your shoulder blades together. We'll do 10 of these. You'll notice your shoulders getting warm and your upper back. But really imagine you're pulling hard. Halfway there. One more. Awesome. And our last movement is going to be a balance movement. It's going to be a single leg balance for 30 seconds if you can hold it for 30 seconds. I got a timer going here. You can use the wall if you need to. You can put one finger on the wall. This one sometimes is better barefoot. If you need to do a toe touch down, I have my very foamy shoes on today, so it's a little more difficult to do balance. And switch legs. And if you're having issues with balance, just start with a toe touch. You're balancing on this leg. Don't lock your knee. That's another key. Keep your hip and your knee soft and use your finger on that wall. And then bring it off as you get your balance. Imagine there's a marionette pulling a string up the top of your head. And done. Now, if you're recovering or if you haven't been doing any kinds of movement, you're done here. If you want a little more, you're going to set your timer for 60 seconds. You're going to take a 1-minute rest, get some water, and do another round. And you can do 1 or 2 more rounds to get you up to that level where you'd like to be. If you're ending here, we're going to go into an easy cool down. Again, we're going to go back to our simple walk. You can walk around the house if you want to. While we're walking, we're going to add those shoulder rolls. Don't be surprised if your shoulders and upper back complain about those isometric rows. They're more powerful than they seem. Reverse your shoulder rows. We're going to do some calf raises. Again, if you need to hold on to the wall, you can. Up, down, toes, down. Up, down, toes, down. Up. You get the gist. And there you have your calisthenic workout for our first 2026 live workout. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. That really helps me more than you know. And visit me on Substack. I'll put the link in the description below. Brand new newsletter, articles. Substack is a great platform. So check me out there. And I look forward to seeing you next week right here.